Did you know there's a hidden nerve inside you that acts like a secret anti-aging switch? It's called the vagus nerve, and it connects your brain, your heart, gut, and even your DNA protection system. So today in our telomere series, it's day 4, and I'll show you how improving vagus nerve health can actually support your telomeres and telomerase, helping you age slower, since it's our age related series. So how you can feel calmer and live longer. So let's dive in. This is Rashmi, your holistic health coach from My World of Wellness. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve in your body. Think of it as your body's internal communication highway. It sends calming signals between your brain, your heart, your lungs, and your digestive system as well. So, guys, when it's strong, your body spends more time in rest and repair mode, where healing and regeneration happens. But when it's weak, stress hormones dominate, inflammation rises, and aging speeds up. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. Chronic stress and inflammation are two of the biggest threats to telomeres. As you remember, the protective cap at the end of your DNA, every time your cell divides, telomere gets shorter, and when they get too short, cell age and stop working properly. But when the vagus nerve can slow this process, so by activating a parasympathetic nervous system, it lowers cortisol, reduces oxidative stress, and decreases inflammation, all of which protect your telomeres. Some studies even suggest vagal stimulation may increase telomerase activity, the enzyme you remember that rebuilds and maintains telomeres. So when you strengthen your vagus nerve, you are literally strengthening your cellular youth. But before jump into activity, let's understand what vagal tone really means. Vagal tone is a measure of how well your vagus nerve is functioning. It shows how quickly your body can shift from stress mode back into calm and healing mode. Our nervous system has two main branches basically. Sympathetic nervous system, the fight and flight response, great in emergencies but harmful if it stays on too long. Parasympathetic nervous system is the rest, digest and repair system. It's powered by the vagus nerve. So when vagal tone is strong, you recover from stress quickly, inflammation drops and your telomeres are protected. But when vagal tone is weak, your body gets stuck in stress mode, which accelerates cellular aging. Now here's something interesting. Scientists often measure this vagal tone using something called heart rate variability or HRV. So HRV looks at the tiny variations in the time between each heartbeat. A higher HRV means your vagus nerve is flexible and strong. Your body can calm down and recover easily. A lower HRV means your system is under stress and less resilient. So improving vagal tone naturally boosts HRV, and there's a direct reflection of better stress recovery and telomere protection. Okay, so how do you improve vagal tone? Luckily, you don't need expensive equipment, just daily habits. And here's 10 powerful activities you can start today. So deep breathing is really good. As you all know, you must be doing it at home also. So inhale for 4, hold for 4, then exhale for 4 and hold for 4. This rhythmic calms the nervous system fast. Cold exposures, splash cold water on your face or finish showers with 30 seconds of cold. Try it out. It really trains your vagus nerve. Singing, humming or chanting, vibrations in your throat directly stimulate the vagus nerve. Even chanting Om works beautifully. Try it out and see, even if you are like listening to bhajans or favorite songs is good. Again, gargling, funny but powerful daily practice to strengthen throat muscles, which is again linked to vagal activity. You don't have to put any salt or anything, just morning few minutes of gargling. Simply this daily practice will stimulate vagus nerve. Meditation and prayer is really powerful. Stillness lowers stress hormone and boosts vagal tone. It helps to calm you down, and it's linked to higher telomerase activity. So meditation is a must, guys. Even yoga and Tai Chi, movement with breath awareness, it creates a calming wave through your nervous system. So, including all these activities on your daily basis will prepare you in advance if you encounter any stress, so you know how to deal with it better. Laughter is another one. Genuine laughter and heartfelt conversations naturally boost your parasympathetic activity. Another one is nature walks. Being outdoors regulate breathing and lower stress naturally. Positive emotions and gratitude. Try doing focusing on appreciation. It creates heart brain coherence, which Vegas now loves. I do write journal every day. It really helps. And then nutrition, omega 3, magnesium and polyphenol rich foods like green tea, berries, and walnuts supports both vagal and telomere health. So here's the bigger picture. Your telomeres are like the biological clock of your cells, but the vagus nerve, it holds the power to slow that clock down. So you do practice how you lower your stress, you improve your resilience, and enhance this telomerase activity. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share this with someone who could use a little stress relief, and start trying one vagus nerve activity today.